Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan for channels on Sharp Android TV. To scan for channels, you'll need to go to first select correct source. What I mean by that is click on the source button on your remote. The source button is in top right corner here, or maybe somewhere else. It'll either say source or it'll be a square with an arrow going inwards. So I'm gonna click on it, then select whether you want to do an antenna with digital channels, cable, satellite, or analog TV. So select whichever one you actually want. I'm gonna select antenna. Then I'm in this screen and I should click on menu on the remote, the menu button, then go to settings. You just need to do it in that order for some reason. Then go to channel, then channels, and now channel scan. If you do it in a different order, if you don't select the correct source first, then it won't let you choose it here within this menu, which means that you just will be searching in just random type, either satellite or antenna or cable, just whatever is randomly selected. So that's why you need to first change the source. So let's go to channel scan. And you can see it starts scanning. You can, before scan, you can change the settings here. Of course, for different types of scans, it'll be different. For antenna, the settings that are here are shown, you can see them. For some different other types, it will be different. So you can see it didn't find any because I don't have an antenna plugged in. But yeah, as you saw, there's some settings like channel scan type, only encrypted, only free channels, LCN, you can turn it on or off, and do stuff like that. You can also update scan, so once you have everything scanned, you can update it, like when you know that some new channels should appear. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you maybe cable as well. Let's see the cable. You can see that if I switch to cable, if I click on menu, then if I go to settings and go to channels, then the scan is different here. There are different settings, and it's now, if I go to channel scan, I can select like probably it's the name of the provider, and you can see it is different now because it's the, like, yeah, you need to select the frequency and network ID and stuff like that, then scan. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.